This space heater quickly and evenly heats an area in home or office. The compact size makes the electric heater ideal for indoor use such as office, desk, home, bedroom, living room, anywhere you need. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. PTC CERAMIC HEATING TECHNOLOGY. Positive temperature coefficient heaters are self-regulating indoor heaters providing 2 seconds quick heating and keep heating long-lasting. That generate lovely heat while saving your bill. Better for your pocket and the environment. Number 2. Safety protection. Tip-over switches with auto shut-off the indoor heater and overheats protection. Tip-over protection will shut off the fan heater if your kids and pets accidentally hit the portable heater to avoid accidents happened, while the built-in tip-over sensor can automatically cut off power when the heater tilts. Number 3. More than a heater. With the easy-to-follow instruction and remote control. The portable winter heater could be a summer fan to fulfill all your need through the year at one touch. 3 adjustable heating levels. 10 watts natural wind, 750 watts low heat, and 1500 watts high heater. Number 4. Auto Oscillation Smart Timer. The space heater can oscillate 90 degrees horizontally and 30 degrees vertically to warm the whole house and office efficiently while staying quiet. Also featured with one-touch 2, 4, 8 hours timer function to fit your work schedule or sleep time while saving the energy. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.